Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to recover forgotten password on Disney Plus. So simply go to Disney Plus and then you're gonna have to go to the login page. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your Disney account email, and then you're gonna have to simply click on continue. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter the password. So as you can see here, you're gonna have to create a password. So let's see. So as you can see, I don't have an account with this email, so I can basically create a new one. But if you have already an account, you're gonna be able to basically change the password by clicking on the forgot password when you log in after you enter your email. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.